Hey, what's up, guys? In this video, we're gonna see top 5 website to make $100 over and over again, guys. Stay tuned for more. Without any further ado, guys, let's dive into this first website. First website we're gonna see is called enably.com, guys. This is the familiar website. This is like a survey website or watch make money by watching video website. There's lots of way you can make money, guys. Come on to enably.com and sign up. I already signed up, guys. This is my account. I already earned $55.5, guys, and that's almost I had 55 cents, guys. It's a simple, guys. I just signed up just about 1 minute ago, guys, and I almost get a 55 cents, guys. You can make more money with this, guys, because this is almost lots of potential here, guys. You can make some good amount of money. Even come out to the enably and click here, guys. There is lots of way offer walls, daily survey, videos, task, apps, and promo codes, guys. And once you get and click a redeem, guys, once you get enough money, click a redeem. It's automatically redeem ticket, guys. And that is almost PayPal, Flipkart, BookMyShow, Big Bazaar, ClearTip, Lifestyle, guys. Click a PayPal, and this will automatically take you to the referral page, guys. And 125 points equal to $1 PayPal, guys. And 2 to 5 points is equal to $2, guys. And almost 9,000, almost 10,000 points equal to $100, guys. And once your first payment, it took 3 days to your PayPal account, guys. And you can eligible to instant payment after the first payment, guys. Then only you can get instant payment, guys. And we're gonna see the next website is called Match by Amazon, guys. This is the best way you can make $100 or even more with this website, guys. This is a Match by Amazon, just like a print and demands, guys, because Amazon has lots of traffic. Once you create a beautiful designing website, then you can make some good amount of money with print the match.amazon.com, guys. And this is the easy website. Just come on to this match.amazon.com, and also I leave all the website link below, guys. Don't forget, go to description and click the link and come to this website and create your own profile and get paid some good amount of money, guys. The simple process: upload your artwork and set a list price, guys. You want set whatever price you want, guys, and they print and they sold you for you, guys. And fast shipping with Prime, and you can easily analytic your progress with your dashboard, guys. This is a simple process. And the third website we're gonna see to make $100 over and over again, guys, that is called Future Point, guys. This is the best website you can make, guys. The Future Point, guys, can make some good amount of money with this, guys. This is also lots of it, guys. Surveys, offers, win, download apps, share with your friends like a referral, guys. Also I'll leave my referral link, guys. If you want to help my channel or help me, please sign up with my referral link, guys. Then only I get some good commission for your earning, guys. And it's also surveys. This is the work, guys. And come out to click cash, guys. This is a cash reward. Once you get enough point to redeem, this is a simple get method, guys. Click a PayPal account. This all the process. You need at least a PayPal account, guys. I think everybody has a PayPal account. If you don't, go to paypal.com and create, guys. If you have a $5, click a $5, guys. And $5 means 3,000 points, guys. It's easy, guys. You can easily get 3,000 points for $5 USD, guys, or $10 6,000, $25 1,500, and 5,300 300k, guys. Simple process. Is just a good amount of money. Future point, guys, can make some good amount of money with future points and offers. And this also have a lottery ticket like a win 6,000 points every token you put, guys. There's a simple process. And download app with your phones is also available on both iOS and Android, guys. Don't know, it doesn't matter which device you have, it's available both Android and iOS, guys. And this is the third website you can make some good amount of money with you, guys. There's a simple method you can make some good amount of money with this, guys. And the fourth website we're gonna see is called Facebook, guys. Okay, guys, you probably ask, Facebook, what is the Facebook I can make money, guys? You can make money Facebook with the help of ClickBank affiliate program, guys. This is the number one affiliate program website in the world, guys. Come on to clickbank.com and click affiliate marketing, guys, and choose whatever program, whatever product you want to promote, guys. Just for the sake of video, I just go to travel, guys. It's automatically take you to this travel page and click promote, guys, and it'll automatically give you some unique tracking code, guys, and copy the tracking code, guys. It's automatic for just to put generate hop link, guys. So I'll make generate to hop link, guys. Because why I get hop link, because I don't create a clickbank account, guys. First you need to create a clickbank account, get your tracking ID, guys. Tracking ID means affiliate ID, guys. Once you get affiliate ID, go to free traffic source called facebook.com, guys, and search like a travel, guys. Search like a travel and go to the groups, guys. Just to go to the groups, because there is a lots of travel group here, guys. This is the travel group. Join as much as you can. Like I said, interact with your people and tell them what the offer you have and send them to the link and get paid some instant money, guys. This is a simple method. You can make $100 and more over and over and over again, guys. You can make some lots of money with this, guys, but it's the best process. You can make some good amount of money with this, guys. And the last but not least, guys, that is called youtube.com, guys. youtube.com is the best way you can make some good amount of passively, guys. You can make $1,000 or $1,000,000, guys. Some people are making million with this YouTube, guys, just alone ad revenue, guys. Just to make millions of dollars with YouTube, guys, or thousands of dollars with YouTube, guys. Just to create a channel and post as much as you can, or compilation channel like that, guys, and get paid instantly, guys. Get paid per month, guys, not instantly. You can paid over and over again and make some good amount of money with this, guys. And I already create a channel. If you don't like, hit the subscribe button for my channel. Hit the subscribe button, guys. I hope this video helps you a lot to make some $100 over and over again, guys. This is the top website. You can make $100 over and over again, guys. And also I leave a link all of this website in the description box, guys. Go to the description box and click and sign up and make some good amount of money, guys. Okay, guys, I hope this video helps you a lot to make some money. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button, like, share, and feel free to comment below, guys. Okay, guys, I'll catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Make money online. Peace.